Yasu, I'm Eleni, and today we're making Greek chicken pasta. We'll start with 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 pound chopped chicken breast. While that's cooking, boil 8 ounces of penne pasta. For the sauce, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon oregano, and 2 minced garlic cloves. Add these to the chicken and simmer for 5 minutes. Now, the Greek touch. 4 ounces of crumbled feta cheese. Toss in the pasta and stir until the feta starts to melt. Garnish with fresh basil and voila, Greek chicken pasta. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. We appreciate your support.